If you're anything like me, you probably crash sometimes. Okay, maybe all the time. Anyway, so when I get a new bike, I buy all the protection I can afford. While I was looking for parts, I came across NICECNC and decided to give them a try. I ended up spending around $600 on parts and have been using them for the last year and haven't had any problems. So I reached out to NICECNC and asked them if they'd help me with my KTM 300 build. And they kindly sent me the last few parts I needed. So let's throw them on the bike and give them a try. Alright, let's give them a try. So yeah, the clutch and brake feel is the same as the stock, but I prefer the shorter levers, so it's definitely a win for me. Cheers to NICECNC for sending the parts over. Like I said, I've been using their stuff for a while and I haven't had any problems. They didn't preview this video or pay me to say any of this, but if you're interested in getting some parts, they did give me a promo code. Use DumbTV11 for 11% off. Cheers for watching and ride safe out there.